again, so let's go into a chat here, maybe talk to this fella, send a message. Hi. So that's a text-based message. There you can see it is at the bottom there. You can see the date as well and the time with it. There is a message feature on it too, but unfortunately I couldn't get it fully working. So what it does do is it uploads to the database. It adds the message to the database. You can actually see in the screen here. Let's see if I go into storage. Firebase stores this. I'm using Firebase as a sort of complete package, which was helpful. And then any message images, so there's profile images as well. Message images are stored in here, and you can see, let's see, where's the one we've just uploaded? Must be this one. It's that one. Yeah, so anyway, they upload to the database, but unfortunately I couldn't work out a way to actually display them. They are there, but I don't know what happened with that, unfortunately. Then go back into the database. So you can see as well here when the user logs in, their location is updated every second or so. Firebase works slightly different than a relational database, so it's all about nodes and branches here. So you've got your user IDs. So you can see I'm signed in at the minute. An API was used to upload all the user stuff into all the user locations. So there is your longitude and your latitude. So latitude 0, longitude 1. And basically the way GeoFire does that, it's to do with the way Firebase actually does queries. It can't do overly complex queries, so both the longitude and latitude have to be combined under one node. When you're doing like a search query to bring up closest users to, it's slightly different than the RDAG or like a relational SQL database. So you can see the location is updating away there every few seconds in intervals. That's basically a full user profile, and let's see what happens when you sign out. Yeah, so you can see again there. So if you forgot your password, say you can go in here, you can reset your password, you can enter your email address, and again Firebase authentication is really nice there because it verifies if an email has already been registered into the system, and if it has been, then it will send you an email automatically out to your email address, out to your email account, and you can send your message that way just when you hit the reset button. You can see there as well, it doesn't do anything if you don't do that. And again, if you sign in and hit, it doesn't do anything, it doesn't let you in. So if you register, again, you can't do anything unless you actually fill in the fields. So let's just put in test. And then we'll put in an existing email to see what happens. And next, password, done. So you can see there's a registration error there because we've already entered an existing registered email with the system. So if we do maybe test, password. And there's your 8 to 15 character limit for password as well. It has to be in between that. Let's see, this time it should load. Yep, so that's our new profile. So you can see there, you can't tap on your own profile, you can tap on anyone else. So there's me from a minute ago. Let's see, start a new chat. Hello, send message, done. That's it there, so you can see. And there's no older messages to load, obviously, because that's the first one. That's pretty much everything. You can just see all the users there. Like it says, you can't tap on your own account, but you can tap on anyone else's there and initiate a conversation with them. Again, you can see the new chats being put into the database there as well. The new chats being created using both user IDs. Again, works slightly different than a relational database model. And then the messages similarly again use both user IDs, and that's matched to the chat, and then they'll know which messages belong to which chat. Just quickly check as well, the new user should be in there. It'll be in there somewhere. I'm not 100% sure what the actual new user ID generated was there, but you can see anyway, you've got your name, your online status. I can actually show that 2 seconds as well. So unfortunately it does work to a degree. For some reason, some activities it doesn't work. Like when you log out as well, it still remains true to database value. When you minimize the app, try and find actually this one just to show that. Let's see, test. So if I minimize this, you'll see the true value here goes to false, so it should do anyway. Yep. So, and then if I bring the app back up, so it goes to true again. Now, unfortunately, when you log out, that should also happen, but it's not at the minute. So that's one little bug that I've logged that